Hey, yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to NextGen Wealth Tips. Today, we're becoming better traders, and I'm going to be showing you guys an indicator that can help you out a lot. A lot of people use this, and a lot of people master this and use it to make a bunch of money, and you can too. So today, we're diving deep into the VWAP, the volume weighted average price. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this video will equip you with everything you need to understand to use VWAP effectively. Now, let's get started. So before I start, I just want to have a warning and saying that I'm not a financial advisor. Okay. We're going to be looking at stocks. I'm not here to tell you guys what to buy, hold, or sell, but we're showing you guys how to use VWAP. So this warning ain't really too major, but we will be looking at stocks and telling you guys about how to buy and sell with VWAP. With that being said, I'm going to help you guys understand what VWAP is and how to use it on a chart. These are just some examples for you guys. But with that being said, you guys may be asking, what is VWAP? Or a lot of you guys probably already know what it is and just want to get a better understanding of it. But basically, VWAP, or the volume weighted average price, is a trading benchmark used to calculate the average price of a stock adjusted by its volume. Unlike a simple moving average, VWAP takes volume in account, making it more reflective of the true market of activity. Basically, it's kind of like the moving average, but it just uses volume with it. But with that being said, how is it calculated? So basically, you multiply each transaction price by its volume, sum of these values for a specific time period, and you divide these by the total trading volume during that period. But you guys this doesn't really matter for you guys because it does it automatically. And we're going to be showing you guys how to equip it on your charts and how it kind of works a little bit on the charts and give you guys an example on the market. So you don't really have to worry about how it's calculated. But as an example, if a stock trades at $50 for 1,000 shares and $51 for 2,000 shares, the VWAP would be $50.67. So it basically just takes averages with this calculation. But with that being said, now we're asking, why is VWAP important? VWAP is widely used because traders use it to identify intraday trends and ideal entry and exit points. And we're going to be showing you guys kind of what an entry and an exit point looks like later on the chart, so don't worry. Institutions also use it to execute trades near the average market price. It helps shows the difference between overvalued and undervalued price levels. So now you may be asking, how should I use VWAP in trading? So basically, here are some practical strategies. So you can see the trend. Basically, if the price is above VWAP, it indicates a bullish trend, and if it's below it, it indicates a bearish trend. You can also use VWAP as support and resistance. It often acts as a dynamic support or resistant level. So basically, sometimes you'll see this price actually bounce off of VWAP, and also reversal points. You can look for a price crossing above or below VWAP to identify potential reversal. So just a little side note, I just want to compare them to other indicators. So basically, VWAP versus other indicators, just moving averages itself, it smooths out the price action over time, but it doesn't factor in volume. VWAP is more accurate because it adds the volume data. Basically, you do have some limitations of VWAP. While it is powerful, it has limitations. Best suited for intraday trading, it resets daily, so understand that. May lag in volatile markets and also not ideal for long-term trend analysts. So basically, the moving average I think is like better for long-term trades because you can have like the 200-day moving average and stuff like that. This one is mainly for like, day traders and stuff like that, but you can also use it to get into your long-term trades too, just to see what the overall market is doing. So now we're going to be talking about some pro tips. So basically, combine VWAP with other indicators like the RSI, which is a good one, and the MACD for better confirmation. These two indicators are good ones too. I will be talking about them later on, not in this video, but just later on in another video. Use it alongside fundamental analysts for a better view. Practice with historical data to see how it behaves with your own strategy, because everybody has their own strategy. But with that being said, we will be using TradingView, and I want to say, if you guys use my link below, you can get a little discount. Get it for $1. So go check out that link. Helps us both out. But with that being said, we're going to tell you guys how to equip it. So basically, in TradingView, we can show you in TradingView and Webull, because why not? But go to your indicators tab. All you got to type in is VWAP. Basically, it's the first one right here. You can also use this one too, but I can include that in another video later on. But this is the one we're going to be using here. And then you're going to open up this chart. You're normally going to see your watch list. I want you to click this tab right here. It's like 2 pages on top of each other. It's called Object Tree and Data Window, and you'll have all of your horizontal lines and just all of your indicators here. You want to go to the volume weighted average one and then right click on it and then go down to settings. So when you're in your settings, when you do include VWAP, you're going to have an upper band and a lower band, sorry. You're gonna have these two. I don't have them included. I normally just have VWAP itself. You can keep the bands on yourself, but I honestly don't recommend it at all. It's up to you. And then you can also change the color and kind of what the line looks like, but it's honestly up to you. I just keep it normal and I just change mine to yellow just to make it different from everything else. That being said, we're going to be looking at how it works and moves. So basically, as you can see, we kind of went into a bearish trend right here when it went below VWAP. This one's kind of like a big sell-off and a big buyback, so it's not really too valid, but I kind of just want to show you an example. So basically, this isn't really a good example, but this is one of those examples that kind of works, but I just want to show what a sell-off and a buyback kind of looks like when it comes to VWAP. So basically, it fell below VWAP instantly, and a bunch of people sold off, but then we had an instant buyback, and then it went above VWAP, and we kind of went bullish. But with that being said, this isn't really a good example because we did have a buyback. So if we go back up over here to how we were overall bearish the other day, it fell below VWAP, and then we were constantly bearish for the whole day. As you can see, we made lower highs, and then we finally kind of broke past VWAP, and we were kind of bullish, but then it broke below it again. But that was after hours. So here's kind of an example. We kind of broke above VWAP right here. We were below it, as you can see, and then we were kind of bearish, but then we broke above it. And we were bullish for the rest of the day, making higher highs, and then officially becoming bullish. We were kind of bearish towards the end of the day on this one, and then it broke below VWAP, of course. And kind of did the same thing the next day. This was kind of flat out, and we were above VWAP for a little bit, but it kind of was bouncing on the VWAP line. This is it bouncing, as you can see. Just like we said earlier, this can be used as a support line, and it was just bouncing off that line the whole day. And then we did bounce off, or we did bounce below VWAP, and then as you can see, we bounced over it, or below it basically. It was trying to break it, but it wasn't breaking it consistently, and we finally broke it. But then we kind of became bearish once again, and then they tried to retest it, and then it didn't. But I just wanted to tell you guys what VWAP is, tell you guys how to equip it, tell you guys kind of how to use it. If you guys have any questions, you guys can comment down below those questions. Thank you for watching the video. Smash the like button, subscribe if you guys are new. Let me know other indicators you guys would like to know about. I also make videos on penny stocks to buy, also crypto videos. I make daily stock news and chart analyst videos, so go check those out. All I ask for in return is a sub and maybe share with a friend so they can benefit. Also, smash the like button. And I want to announce I made a Discord chat for trading. So it is free to join right now. Join now while it's free. And later on, it might be paid. So I'm just letting y'all know that. Also looking for some mods. So if you guys are interested in that, you guys can. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe if you guys are new, and peace out.